Hello everyone, my name is Tanya Garg. In our previous videos, we discussed the basics of Windows Phone application development. We also discussed the requirements to design the Windows Phone application. Now today here in this session, you will be able to design Windows Phone application. What are the requirements to design the Windows Phone application? There must be Microsoft Visual Studio installed on your desktop or laptop. I prefer you to use Visual Studio 2013 or latest version. You must take care that you install Visual Studio from the Microsoft website as it is authenticated software. Next is Microsoft Visual Studio SDK. Microsoft Visual Studio Software Development Kit is necessary to design Windows Phone 7 application development. Next is Microsoft Visual Studio IDE. This means anyone who want to design Windows Phone 7 application must be aware of interface that he is using to develop the application. So you must be aware of Microsoft Visual Studio IDE. Next is XAML and .NET Framework. If you are using .NET Framework to design the Windows Phone application, you must be aware of extensive application markup language and the components of .NET Framework. Now we are starting to design the Windows Phone application. I will open the Microsoft Visual Studio. Now here you can see there is Microsoft Visual Studio 2013. Just click on it. Now Microsoft Visual Studio started. As we have to create the new Windows Phone application, so go to File menu, click on New, then click on Project. Here project is the name of the Windows Phone application that we are going to develop. Here you can see there are templates. You can select any template according to your requirement. And here is a language in which we are going to develop the Windows Phone application. I am selecting Visual C#. Then go to Windows Phone app. Here you can see there is a list of templates that you can use to design the Windows Phone application. You can choose any of the template according to your requirement. You can also install new templates by going to this link, that is, click here to go online and find templates. For this you need internet connection and you can download the template from there. Now here today I am using the blank app Windows Phone Silverlight template. Now here in the name tab you can write the name of your project. I am giving the project name as My First Windows App. Now you can see our project will get saved in this location. This is a default location. But you can choose any location where you want to save your project. Click on OK. Here it is written, select the minimum Windows Phone version you want this app to target. It means for which phone, for which platform you want to design the Windows Phone app. So I am choosing here Windows Phone 8.1 because I have installed Windows Phone 8.1 emulator in my software. So click on Windows Phone 8.1, then click OK. It's getting started, so just wait for a while. Now here, this is a device window. This is a main page.xaml file. This is a layout of your app that you are designing. This is a solution explorer where you can see all the files related to your project. We have to do coding in the main page.xaml. Now just click on main page.xaml. So this device window is opened. Now here you can drag the tools that you require to design. Now here on this device you can drag the tools required from this toolbox window. So just click on toolbox. Here we are going to design this basic app to print hello world. That means we want to click on a button, and after clicking on the button hello world should be printed. So I am taking button control here. Just double click on the button and the button control will appear on this layout of your device. Second tool I am taking, text block. You can take any tool from this toolbox according to your requirement. I am choosing button and text block here. So just drag the text block and bring it down under the button. You can align it according to your device. I am aligning it centered. Now you can change the button name and text block name. So just click on button. From here it is written button content equals to button. That means the content in the button is button. The name is button. So just change the name from here. Type what name you want to give. I am typing click me. That means I want to display click me here. Now click on text block. I want to give name to the text block. So just go here in the text block, choose x dot dot x colon, then name equals to my block. In this way you can change the name of your text block, and here we have changed the name of the button. Now I want that when I click on this button, in the text block hello world should be printed. So just click on text block and erase this text block. Means I am erasing the text that is in the text block. Now for the coding part, we have to double click the button. Now button is event handler. So here this is private void button click object sender. We will write the code. If my block is the name of the text block, my block dot text equals to empty. Here we have to put the brackets. Then my block dot text equals to hello world. Now here is some error. I am just correcting the error. Now it's corrected. We have to terminate every statement. So here semicolon is used to terminate the statement. Then second is else. This code means if my block dot text equals to empty, means if text block is empty, then print hello world, else my block dot text equals to empty. Now here our code is done. We have written the code to print the hello world whenever you click on the button click me. So just save the project by pressing Ctrl S. Then now we have to debug the project. Just click on emulator 8.1. Now the project is getting debugged. Just see what happens. Now here you can see the message is showing connecting to emulator 8.1 WVGA 4-inch 512 MB. This is the device name where our project will run. So just wait. Now you can see the Windows Phone emulator is getting started. So just wait. Now the message is showing loading. Our emulator is getting loaded. Now you can see the window has opened. So just click on Click Me and Hello World is printed here. You can see Hello World here. Thanks for watching this video.